Hey guys, here's another robotics video. This one is to help you with challenge 4. So like all the previous challenges, we need to go to the files and they are located on our home drive. So to get there, we have to go to this PC, double click. Then we go to our network locations. We select our home drive, which has our special 320 number on it. Double click on that. We go into My Robotics, go into the graphical RobotC program challenge files folder, double click on that. And we are on challenge 4, so we're using challenge 3. So we're going to double click on challenge 3, and when that opens up, we will resave it, naming it challenge 4, and then we will go on to do the challenge 4 problem. Open that up. All right, so we got our error messages. We'll take care of that in a minute. But the first thing we want to do is resave this, okay? We go to File, Save As. Remember, not save as macro, save as. Very important. Now, we want to make sure that we don't overwrite or delete challenge 3, so we're going to give this a different name when we save it. Challenge 4, and challenge 4 happens to be, we're going to call it second motor, because we're going to add a second motor. So challenge 4 is add code for we'll change it from green LED to second motor. So we're going to run 2 motors now. So everything's going to be the exact same except we're adding another motor. All right, so we need to get rid of these error messages. Now, if you remember, we need to go to robot, check a couple of things. Communication mode, is it USB only? Yep. Target, compiler target, is it physical robot? Yep. Platform type, is it VEX 2.0 or Cortex? Yep. Is it natural language PLTW? Nope. And that's the problem. We have to click that. Okay, error messages go away. Now we're in business. Okay, so we need to add a second motor. So let's find the start motor commands. And I'm going to just tell it to do it right after it starts the right motor. So I'm going to drag start motor just below the other start motor command. And now I'm going to tell it which port to look for. So we already did right motor. We want to do left motor now. And I want to change the speed from 95 to 127. That's full speed. Okay. Now we also want to add a stop motor command for the left motor. So drag up stop motor, put it right underneath the stop motor command for the other motor, the right motor, and change the port to left motor. Okay. So now when we So let me click save, compile, download. Okay, now when I click start, it's going to do exactly what it did the last time, except, well, let me run through it. When I click start, it's going to turn on that green LED. It'll do that automatically without me doing anything. Then when I touch the limit switch, it'll start the right motor and the left motor, and they will run until I do what? You're right. Until I hit the bump switch. When I hit the bump switch, 3 things will happen. The right motor will stop, the left motor will stop, and the green LED will turn off. It's as simple as that. All right, so let's do that. So start. Now, if you could see my test bed, you would see that my green LED is on. I've got both motors on. When I hit the limit switch, I hit the bump switch, both motors turn off, green LED turns off.